Have you noticed that everyone today doing teleconferencing and home working from home, and whenever they are being interviewed, what do they have behind? A library or a studio filled with books to say that they are intelligent and has got lots of knowledge. Well, let me tell you, the knowledge can go as far as limit that we are all stuck indoors because of a virus. And every child born is a genius, only to be made into an idiot by parents, the books, which I don't have behind me, and schools, our education system, our political system, our global economic model, our greed, our subservient, selfish attributes to life. Our education is a prime example, it seems, at least for now, that we haven't paid enough attention to keep one body at a restful state. Instead, we have paid so much attention to fixing the outside. By fixing the outside, we have almost burned the earth and decimated the earth's life to a point where a virus has to jump from a bat in the wild to a human. Even a virus has found its most intelligent way to live, to move from a reducing habitat, which is the bat if it is, and jump and moved onto a human being, because that's where the largest number of habitation exists on the planet today. We have eradicated, we have cleared up forests, we have cleared up wildlife, we have cleared up not because of our survival, even for a hobby, for the fun of it. We have gone and killed and decimated the life all around us. So it is quite natural to find ourselves where we are today. It seems that the knowledge, which is limited, is also crushing us. It's also crushed us because we haven't paid attention to the larger life that we are supported in this living existence that we all had to share. And we need to balance our lives and encourage this life by serving other life and becoming a whole as one. Whole, when I call it whole, as one. Otherwise, whatever that doesn't serve for the well-being and the welfare of health and well-being of life will be discarded. Are we going to be discarded? The time will make us. And I don't want this child and all the children for next generation to go through what they're going through. It is our turn to make it a well-being for all. and leave it a little bit better than how we found it before we came here. I hope this video and thousands of my other videos have a message which I've been speaking about on a daily basis. Yet hardly anyone realize the importance of putting life first before we give importance to our selfish and harmful, greedy attributes we have been encouraged through our education. Time to be uneducated and learn from a new life, which I have been doing.